Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, Miriam, Leonardo, Tango.
Today, we're going to work on technique for a kick, how to position your leg and do it properly.
And most importantly, not kicking your partner.
Before going to the video, remember to subscribe, like if you're enjoying it, and share with your friends.
Let's get to the video.
Very good, here we are. So we do a rock step, so we'll show you the situation of a kick one more time. The most important is I'm targeting the base leg of the leader. So I try to get close, in this case, to his right leg. And I'm rotating my leg. So I'll go rock step, brush the floor, extension, and to go back, I will go up and feet together. So the position of the person who does the kick, it could be leader or follower, is rotated. We rotate the leg in the front to do the kick. So be careful, don't do it this way. We rotate the leg and we have the energy. I don't know if you feel the same. I have the energy of the leg brushing the floor, going a little bit up, but not much, and it's front. It's like you kick a ball, right? We do in soccer, football, boom, kick a ball. So that's the energy of the leg. It's not in or back, it's forward and rotating.
And something that she's doing, she's pointing, and this applies for both leaders and followers. Leaders, sometimes we do kicks for the hero. It's always pointing the toes. Yes, she was just explaining, but it's very common to see this. Yes, or a kick very, very relaxed. That is not good.
Yeah, and until the last moment, we brush the floor, we keep contact with the floor, and then we go in higher from there. Be careful, don't do like voleo and you do it from here, because that will hurt your partner.
Please
so
don't.
Also, a common mistake from the rock step again, if we can't do, sometimes followers try to do it following the other leg, which is not good at all. It's much better, it's nicer if you keep it together to the base leg of the leader. In this case, we do rock step and point here. So we go 1 and 2, 3 and 4. This is a nice exercise you can do, a nice drill to improve your kicks. Or patadas.
Yes, patadas. Get used to Spanish terminology, patadas, kicks, yes? We would like to mention also that we are wearing our own line of clothes. Mine for the leaders is Tango Dapper. We have pants and suits for all the leaders, and they are designed for dancers, and they are very, very comfortable. Also the jackets, you can lift your arms with the suit without lifting, without looking strange.
And for the followers, we have tango skirts and also tango tops, and you can see this on our website, miriamleonardotango.com.
Thank you so much for being here with us. We really appreciate your support, and we'll see you in the next video.